If you don't think that you fit into the typical mold of an entrepreneur, think again. The Maker Track is for artisans, engineers, and enterprises producing physical products.
Everything from craft brews to new sets of skis, all the way down to that next really cool new technology product. All of that's being built in our Maker Track.
So in the Maker Track, you're gonna see a wide breadth of sessions. Everything from how do you actually start to build prototypes, all the way up to how do you take it to market, how do you build a supply chain, how do you build a lean manufacturing process. So it's really trying to bring all those things together that go into making a physical product.
There are great opportunities to actually co-create products together with the people that you meet.
This is a place that you'll find all those folks who are making things and the true craftsmen and craftswomen of Colorado.